guys how you can install Microsoft Edge on your Chromebook. So this is going to be a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. So first of all, we'll need to enable the Linux mode. So we're going to go to settings and we're going to search up for Linux right here, and we can click on it and click turn on and next. And now we've got to select the disk size. So right over here, I'm just going to change my disk size to around 8.6, and I'm just going to click the install button, and it should install Linux. So this process may take a few minutes, and yeah, so I'm just going to go speed this part up. So yeah. Okay, so it seems like we're all done over here. We can close out of this, we do not need this. And now we're just going to search up for Microsoft Edge on Google Chrome, and then click download Microsoft Edge web browser. Link will also be in the description right here. And now we're going to click this arrow right here, and we're going to select linux.deb because that's the supported one. So just click that, and then just click accept and download. And the download of the deb file should start downloading right here. So I already have it right over here, so I do not need to go re-download it, but that's how you can go download it. So after it's in your files right here, so I'm just gonna right here, and then to install it, you can just double click on this, or you can go ahead and right click and click install with Linux, and now we can just click the install button. So you can install .deb applications using this Linux software right over here. So this will also take a minute or so, but it's pretty quick right now. So I guess I'll just speed up a little part of it, and yeah. Alright, so we're done. We can just click the launch button, and it will also be in the app launcher right over here. So apparently it should be launching right now. If not, you can just click on that and it should open. This will take, okay, there we go. We're here already. Okay, just open another window, it doesn't matter. So there we go. Now let's just go ahead and click on accept and get started. Okay, I'm just going to untick that, accept and get started. Informational, confirm. And I'm just going to confirm that. Just exit that, close out of that. Let's see how well it performs, right? So, okay, we don't need that. Let's just close that out. So, it's a virtual machine, so it's not going to be the best, but I tried watching one of my videos on this, and it actually went. It was very smooth, no lagginess, so yeah, that's a very good thing about it. So at first, when you first launch it, when you load up web pages, it might be extremely slow. That doesn't really matter right now, but yeah. So now in the search bar, I'm just going to type right here /MazeBeam. Just going to go straight to my website. So to the YouTube channel link right over here. It might take a little bit slow to load, as I said on the first try, but on the next couple of tries it'll be pretty fast. Like, pretty fast, very fast. Oh, also it seems like my Chromebook just switched to dark theme. Okay, so right over here, I'm just going to go watch this video. So as you can see, when it's actually not laggy at all. It's actually very smooth, not laggy at all. When you watch this, that's good. You also can enable picture-in-picture mode. This is quite cool. And now, if you want to upload a file or something like that, you'll notice it's not there because of Linux. That's very easy to do. But in the here, you'll see the Linux files right over here. and there's nothing in this container file, in this folder right now. If we want to put a file in here, let's say I want to go drag this into Linux files right here, and now it'll be copied to the Linux files. After I'm there, if I want to upload something, it will bring it up and I should be able to upload it. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash like button and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.